Hello, people. This is your Abhi, and it's day 40. Alright, today's been a hectic one. It was kind of busy, I guess. Had a lot of work to do. Anyways, so um, as far as how much I can analyze for today, I wasn't really that stable emotionally. In the case that I wasn't able to control my flow of thoughts um, and some of my actions, I guess. Of course, have done them better than how I used to previously, but somewhere still slacking down the road. So, yeah, I couldn't do some of them that well. But one thing that I've come to notice is that I'm able to recognize or distinguish my actions. I'm able to think about them. What exactly am I doing? Why am I doing it? What is the purpose? Um, is it happening without my control? Is it happening with my control? What kind of thoughts take me away, and etc. I've been speaking about this story machine that runs in our head. You know, it's really dangerous. As far as I can see, it can literally take away a lot of your time unnecessarily, and that's exactly what ran to my head today. And I wasn't that focused on some of my activities. So it's a skill that I have to develop. I did advance further in it, but I still have far to go. I still have far more to achieve. So, coming back to the point that I previously mentioned in my videos on how do you handle these kind of losses and etc. So, the one solution that I've kind of, it was kind of helpful to me is not to blame yourself, is not to say to yourself that you are still low. You are still the same person. You haven't changed anything. You simply, you know, blame yourself and put yourself on a low scale just because you couldn't do some kind of action that you wanted to successful. And this is where you kind of spoil your day. And this is one skill that I definitely developed. I understood that fine, we all make mistakes. I make mistakes, especially. And it's never too late to realize that you could always change it the next time. You just got to be aware of what you're doing. So if you're making that repeated mistakes, try to understand why am I making those and etc. What is actually troubling me? Do I have to pay a lot of attention to it and waste my time on trying to get out of it, or just leave it like a cloud, just floating right in your brain? So yeah, I did use some of the tips that I presented in my videos within my own sphere of life, and yes, it kind of helped me survive the rest half of the day when I thought I'd kind of lose more control, but I could get back that hand. Yeah, that's about it. Developing skills is very, very important. Skills as in communication skills, um, any other kind of skill that people might not have seen before, maybe something that you have noticed within yourself, and maybe some kind of interest or something you do unique from others. So You have to develop skills. There are certain kind of skills that you can develop through watching videos, maybe practicing some of them in your life. It's never too late, and it's absolutely necessary as for a teenager and any other um, adult who's leading their 20s and 30s, I guess. It's something all of us know. We have to develop skills, especially your social skills. It's more from a general stand point of view. General stand point of view. Is that how we pronounce it? Maybe. Okay. So from a general point of view, you have to have a certain kind of social awareness and social skills. Otherwise, you will be taken advantage of, right? You have to know how to speak. It's also a boost. It's a catalyst in your career growth, right? So yeah, you should develop social skills. It's really 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 important. For me, it's one of the top challenge. I guess I should put my focus onto it later in the future. I don't really have time to spend on it right now. So yeah, working on social skills will take you far in your career, and I think you'll be better able to sort out your relationships with whom and what and how, what extent, um, and all kinds of stuff that you should be aware of your surroundings and your people. Experimenting your um, your flaws, experimenting your wrongdoings or whatever you think, you actually have to do it. You actually have to experiment whatever you think. Maybe you should have done it, you didn't do it. You have to experiment into why I haven't done it. Why should I do it? How can I do it? Experiment it, as in maybe experience it. Like for example, let's say I planned to study. I woke up. I was able to for a while, but then I started feeling dizzy. So what did I have to do? Usually, if I sleep, that is, take a nap and wake up, I kind of freshen up. But it'll take a while for me to completely refresh. So maybe half an hour, 45 minutes is what I thought initially. But then slowly I kept experimenting. Whenever I felt kind of bored or things are going above my head, I used to take a nap. I used to check it until what time I'm able to wake up refreshed and etc. This kind of I don't know, certain kind of thinking pattern you should bring into your life. Don't always blame your mistakes, or don't be harsh on yourself for them, but try to see why you're making those mistakes, how you could actually turn that enemy into your friend, and etc. So yeah, experimenting helps as far as I know. I've been experimenting on a lot of stupid stuff I've been doing, and etc. and etc. So yeah, kind of aware of them. Next, and the last topic that I wanted to discuss is distraction control. I think it's a really, really important. Um, it's a really important habit that you have to. It's a part of your self discipline that you have to cultivate, because in this digital age, you just have tons and tons and tons of media which is grabbing your attention. So you have to be really careful and choose what you really want. Choose something and don't get distracted by any other recommendations or whatever. You choose what you do, right? Have that remote in your hand. So it's also another important skill. It's another self discipline that one has to learn. So these are the things that I learned for today. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I will meet you back in my next video. Thank you for listening.